K-pop contours. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's go open. Wow. K-pop demon hunters. What do we have in the box? Oh my god.
Yummy!
Wow. So delicious bears. Oh, yeah. Good job. Oh, yoo-hoo. Zoey. Oh yeah. Mira. Oh. K-pop demon hunters. Mira. So, let's open this box.
Yummy!
Ta-da! Wow! Red bear, green bear, blue bear, pink bear, and purple! Good job! Mira. Oh yeah! Oh! Get ready with me! I love you! So cute, girl! Yeah, we do it! Lost! Hey, let's open. Oh yeah! Mira's emojis! Yeah! Ooh! Mm. Mm. Oh my god! Oh no! Good job! Rumi's box! Good job! Let's open! Oh yeah! Rumi's notebook. Bears. Oh! Rumi's emojis! Stickers! Yay! Yay! Oh my god! What? What? Oh no, I'm tired. Ooh. This. Oh yeah. Yeah. And so what's the name Rumi? Rumi. Yeah. Good job. Beautiful girl. What color the bear we have in the box? Okay, let's open.
Yummy.
Oh, sky blue, red bear, orange bear, purple bear, and yellow bear. Yeah! Oh yeah! Big Zoey and good job. I love you. And don't forget subscribe our channel. I love you. See you later. Bye bye.